Giga is the dump truck. 10P1 is no problem. Is the okay there. Dump truck number 35 Advel Corporation. Right there. Okay there, no problem. Is the dump truck. I like the problem there. This is like the problem. This is like the dump truck Giga. Number 35. Okay blue dump truck is the okay. I like the problem now today. Okay, they have to go for lifetimes with 3 times. Okay and there is the Giga 10P1. Okay, no problem there. Dump truck no problem. I got the problem there. I use that there. Okay, like the tanks. Okay and like the problem. Dump truck. Okay, number 35. Okay, problem 5 4 3 2 1 go.